This video will show you how to invite your students to sign up for office hours using Google Calendar's appointment slot function. You need to use your Vassar Google account for this. In your Google Calendar, drag your mouse over the time period in which you'd like to have your office hours to create an event. Click on Appointment Slots and add a title for the event. We'll call this Office Hours. You could make this entire 2-hour period available for a single appointment, or you could divide it into appointment slots. You can set the duration of those slots. In this case, I'm going to divide this 2-hour period into 4 30-minute slots. Save the event. At this point, you've created a one-time event, but since I want the appointment slots to be available every week throughout the semester, I'm going to edit the details by clicking on the event and then on the pencil icon. And I'm going to change the repetition setting. I could choose to have the slots appear once a week on that day, or I could make a custom setting. In this case, I want to have these office hours on Tuesdays and Thursdays, continuing from every week until December 21st. Click Done to save the repeat settings. I'll also designate my office as the location. Don't forget to save the changes you've made. Note that I now have these appointment slots on Tuesdays and Thursdays every week of the semester. Now to invite students to sign up for appointments. I'm going to click on any one of these events and on the pencil to edit the event again. You see a link that's labeled This Calendar's Appointment Page. Right-click on that, or on a Mac computer, Control-click. From the drop-down menu, choose Copy Link Address. The address that you've just copied can be emailed to your students, or you can use it to create a link in your Moodle site or share it in some other way. Now let's look at what the student sees. The student receives your message. When they click it and open on the link that you sent them, assuming that they're logged into their own Google account, they'll see your appointment slots. Notice that they don't see any of your other calendar entries. The student can choose one of those slots and save it, which effectively books that time slot and adds it to their calendar. Notice that that slot is no longer available for anyone else to choose. Now let's go back to what the instructor sees. When I refresh my calendar page, I'll see that someone has booked that 2 o'clock slot on that particular day. I can click on it to see who made the appointment. By default, the appointment is accepted, but I can choose to delete that booking if I don't want to see that person.